To set up automatic posting on Instagram, we will configure the settings here. First, select the content you want to post. Selected post and enter the content you want to post here. Then, choose a category for the content to make it easier to manage. Select images to include with the post. You can choose multiple images at once. Then click Save. And return to the automatic posting section. Select the accounts you want to post to, then configure the posting settings here. After that, just click Start and the software will handle the rest automatically. Contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram.